Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring Ibispaint X is updated and has camera and storage permissions. This prevents access errors. Once done, open Ibispaint X and create a new canvas or choose a layer where you want the photo. Make sure you pick an appropriate canvas size since the camera import keeps resolution. Larger canvases retain detail. If the app asks for permission, tap Allow. If it fails, exit and reopen the app to refresh permission state. Now you're ready for the next step. Next, tap the Layer menu and choose Import Photo, then select Camera. This triggers your device camera while keeping Ibispaint in control. Aim and frame your subject. Use the phone shutter or Ibispaint's on-screen capture if available, because capturing within the app preserves orientation and metadata. After snapping, confirm the image and it appears as a new layer. Make sure to immediately transform, resize, or set opacity to blend with your drawing. These adjustments keep composition balanced and editable. To finish, place the camera layer where it supports your artwork. Use blending modes like Multiply, add a clipping mask for non-destructive editing, and erase with a soft brush to integrate edges. Once satisfied, save your project file and export as PNG or JPEG to preserve layers or a flattened image. If the camera import fails, double-check permissions and available storage, close background apps, or restart the device. These steps resolve most issues. Finally, make a backup copy to avoid losing changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.